Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to my channel.
Okay, guys, we have a situation. We have a situation. As you can see, my room needs to be cleaned. Bruh. Who's gonna clean it? So obviously I have to clean it. Obviously I have to clean it because you want to. Since you want to do it, I gotta do it. Anyways, I usually do it on Sunday, and I did do it on Sunday. I went into the week with a fresh room. It's Wednesday. I don't know what happened. But you know the good thing about it? It's October. It's my birthday month. Big Libra season. Sorry. I got beside myself there. I'm gonna clean my room, and I'm gonna bring y'all with me. I'm gonna bring y'all with me. You don't have a choice. Clicked. Don't leave. Don't leave. Don't leave. I'll take care of you. Anyways, let's hop into the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe. If you're back, this threat isn't for you. But if you're new here, join the family. Let's hop into the video.
Gotta close the blinds. Don't need nobody peeking at me.
You know, I like to start with the main part of my room because it makes everything feel much cleaner.
It's like, it's not that bad. It's really not that bad. Like I said, I started doing this Sunday. So obviously, if I clean Sunday, I can only mess up a room
So bad, so fast.
Am I, like, think about it. Like I was saying, it is my birthday month. And with it being my birthday month, I obviously have to host a birthday party that everybody's going to remember and everybody's going to be like, wow, Olivia sure can host a birthday party. I haven't had like bad birthday parties ever. Ever. They're always really good. But that's because my mom plans them. I don't plan them. Really, me personally, I'm down for a good dinner. I'm down for a good dinner at Olive Garden. I don't think too much about my birthday. But my mom, who loves me so dearly, obviously wants me to have the best childhood possible. The best time possible. Because she's still trying to help me. She's still trying to help me. Great mom. W mom, honestly. Shouts out to her. Shouts out to her. Anywho, it is a Halloween themed birthday. Because it's like, this is my first time planning my birthday. I don't really know what I'm doing here. So I'm making it easy for myself. I'm making it really, guys, I've walked back and forth like 5 times. I'm so sorry. I'm making this really easy for myself anyways. I just feel like Halloween is the easiest birthday theme to throw in October. Halloween is my favorite holiday because I like to dress up. I really like to dress up, and I just need an excuse to do so. And I've been thinking about cosplaying. I have. It's just, cosplaying is a lot of money. Like, it makes sense. Halloween costumes are a lot of money. Even the really crappy ones. But I don't want to be a crappy cosplayer. That's embarrassing, honestly. Because it's like, you're already dressing up outside of Halloween, but you're dressing up outside of Halloween, and you look bad. No! Hope you get home safe. What? Hello? Why are you speaking like that? You know what? This might go back to my childhood. Because back in school, I was really into Spirit Week. Like, Spirit Week was my week. Every single year since I started school, I went all out. Every single year. And it's like, we also had like mini, like micro Spirit Weeks. We had micro Spirit Weeks. And it was like, they had like a Black History Month Spirit Week, an Asian and Pacific Islander History Month. Like, it was like, we had Spirit Weeks on Spirit Weeks. And I participated in all of them. Every single one of them. Every single one of them. Like, it's kind of to the point, I love dressing up so much that it kind of makes me not like themes. Like, I don't like themed parties because people don't be going all out. Like, they're so trapped in their own bubble of like, oh, that's so embarrassing. Oh, they hate being perceived. They hate being perceived. And it's just like, Why? Just vibe. Man, just vibe. Yeah. Everybody has their favorite stuffed animal. This is mine. His name is Teddy. I shot my cousin in the face over Teddy with a BB gun. Chill out. Like, y'all just always assume the worst. He's still alive. Yay! I did it. Ow! Freak. Hello. Nice to have you back. Anyways, guys, it's time to sort through these clothes. Look at this super cute purse I thrifted for $4.99. Isn't it cute? What? Like, wait. Look at it. Don't it look professional? It's giving Devil Wears Prada, but it's not Prada. Don't. I love fashion. I love clothes. But I don't want this. If this is the cost of fashion, I don't want it. Oh my gosh, let me just.
Bitch.
Wow. So perfect. So great. I just love having the power of editing.
Yeah! I really hope that looks good. Editor me, if it doesn't look good, just put the boo sound effect through the whole clip until we get here. Just boo. Guys here, say hi.
Hi. Hey, everybody.
Guys, Sky is in Florida.
Wait, I don't even know my TikTok.
She trying to free plug, free promo, and don't even know the ad, y'all. Oh my goodness. Lock in. If she says it, I'm gonna just put it right here. Okay, guys. Okay, so now that that's done and out of my hair, I am about to go to Walmart. More money! Yeah! I wanna make slime. I wanna make slime. Listen, I used to scam people. Nani? Allegedly. I used to scam people allegedly with slime. It wasn't even really scamming. All I did was make the container smaller and the price is larger. We were in elementary school. They didn't know that. They weren't catching on, but I knew. And I got the bread. Ah, it's all about the money. I miss my roots. I miss them. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna buy some stuff for slime. And then I might get some stuff for dinner. I don't want to cook. Okay, guys, let's go to Walmart. Guys, I didn't go to Walmart. I'm at Target. It's closer to my house. Like, I didn't want to drive that far. I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I'm in here for one thing and one thing only. Like, I can't look at nothing else. If I look at anything else, I'm gonna buy it. And I don't need to be buying no extra stuff. Sorry. You see how quickly I grabbed that? You didn't even see me grab it because I'm walking so fast. I'm just so swift with it. Like, what? Guys, the worst case possible is happening. Like, I tried to move super fast so I wouldn't see anything, but now I'm seeing everything because I actually went the wrong way. Now I'm passing the toy section. I'm not tempted at all. Where is the store? Guys, I have searched this whole store. Excuse me. You're fine. Me too. Guys, once again, like I was saying, I've searched this whole store and I have no idea where the glue is. I don't know. Would you guys believe me if I said I passed it as soon as I walked in? It was right next to the door. Guys, I don't know how to make slime. This is it. This is all I know. About to go get this and some laundry detergent because all we got is Tide Pods at home. Okay, I do believe. Oh, guys, Wow. I found like jackpot. What? Wait, they have slime kits? Y'all are lazy. No, that's lazy. What happened to science? What happened to science? Bring back science. Bring back science. Okay, I also need baking soda. I'm gonna get normal baking soda, like edible baking soda. I'm gonna get edible baking soda because I be baking and I don't have no baking soda. Last time I was making brownies without a recipe, I used pancake mix because it has baking soda in it. I want real baking soda. La 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 la. Guys, people, I got the goods without spending no extra money. Yeah, that was so hard, but I'm learning how to say no to myself, and I'm doing really good, unfortunately. Hi, Ruby. Hi, Ruby. Oh, that's a precious girl you are. Such a precious girl you are. Look at that little smile. You're so cute. Guys, I miss my dog. I miss my dog. Okay, we got the goods. We got the goods. I got color changing glue. This is about to be a dupe. A whoop-de-doop. A whoop-de-whoopy-doop. Ooh, wait, are these all the... That was... My brain lagged. Oops. As great as doing slime would be right now, guys, I haven't eaten. I gotta cook dinner. Might not show you that, though. I might show you. Also, I think it's time for a wardrobe change. Ruby, let's get out of here. Let's go. Come on. Yep.
One eternity later. Many months later. So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Where you at, Rube? Anywho, wardrobe change.
Come on.
In spirit of my favorite holiday and my favorite month, and it being the first day of my favorite month of my favorite holiday, of just my birthday and everything great in Halloween, I decided to put on this Chucky shirt. You like it? You like it? I know. Okay, let's go make dinner now. Let's go make dinner. You might not be here. You might not see anything. I'm making dinner. Y'all don't even know what I just went through. You don't even know what I just went through. There was a fire. I'm a firefighter. Like, I fought that fire. What? Oh my gosh. You won't even... I started a fire. The food is good. The food is really good. Anyways, let's get into slime. Okay, we're gonna start with the original Elmer's glue because I don't want to mess up my color changing glue. Like, this is the final boss. What? So I'm thinking I'm just gonna time lapse this. Nah. I don't really know what I'm doing. I thought I did. I went into this really confident. And now my confidence is leaving. Just a little bit. But I mean, like, what? It's a three-step. It's a three-step ingredient. It's a three-step mixture. There's no reason.
Come on, let him get up.
Let's just... Do you think Bill Nye would be proud that I'm not following no instructions? I'm just raw dogging science. Literally. I'm sorry. I think that's enough. Let's do a little mix. Guys, I think I want more. I want a big... We're just gonna ignore that. Anyways, I want a lot of glue. Ooh, I want a lot of slime, but I don't think I thought this one through. Wait a second. Anywho. Okay, now that it's like all mixed together, Wait, it's not mixed together. Now that it's almost mixed together, I'm gonna add the glue. I mean, the color. I'm gonna add the dye. Ooh. I want it to look like the ocean. Maybe that was too much blue. Oh, wait. No, I think it was perfect. Wait. Is this giving ocean blue? Okay. Okay. I should have got like some glitter, but they didn't have any. That's not on me. Not this time. Maybe they did have some. Guys, I should. We're gonna do this again. Time for this. I hope. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Guys, it's working. It's working!
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
It's a little juicy. It's kind of terrible. Wait, let me. If I just keep kneading it. Let's just keep kneading it. Hold on, guys. It's giving putty. It's not even really giving putty. It's kind of giving stress ball. I don't think this is. Wait. Let's just try this again. Okay. So you add the glue. Okay. You add the glue. You add the baking soda. Not too much baking soda. That feels just enough. You mix that. Together. There's still leftover contact solution in here. Oopsies. Or maybe not oopsies. Maybe that's exactly what we needed. Or not. Wait. It's not stretching, but this is like better than the last one. Listen, would you rather want sticky slime or bouncy ball slime? Let's say putty. Wait. No, guys, this one is good. It's just like cloud slime. Let's mix it. Guys, you know what? I'm not gonna take this as a failure. I think it's really good. It just needs a little shape shifting. Bet yours can't do that though. We're not gonna let this get us down. We're gonna start over. We're just gonna start over. But this is the rest of the glue. So if it doesn't go right this time, I don't know. I wasted $10. That's okay. That's only $10. Okay, guys. This one is make it or break it. Because it's like only do this one so many times. This kind of looks like the stuff from Cat in a Hat. Okay, let's put a little bit of this. That's more than enough. Maybe just a little bit more. Okay. See, I'm learning from my mistakes. A little bit of contact solution. Not too much. And then we're just gonna take our time. Okay, guys, I think I might have done it. Wait a second. Wait, oh. Oh my gosh, it's turning pink too. It's actually doing it. Wait. Wait. That's so cool. Science rules. Science rules. What? Hey, I wasted my money with the white slime. This one is cool. Ooh, and it's not sticky. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Hello? Guys. Guys. I did it! I did it! When the odds were against me, I still did it! I still won! And it changes colors! I wasn't... Oh! Hey. Cut the video. Cut the video. We're done here. I ended this in a success. Whatever. I ended this in a success. Like, guys, nothing else matters to me anymore. Matter of fact, I'm opening up my slime business again. Who wants to cop? How many times can you say you've made slime in your 20s? Exactly. I can't say I've made them anytime in my 20s. I don't turn 20 for 19 more days. When you see this, it might be 15. I don't know, because I don't know when I'm going to post this, but it'll be soon. Okay, guys, I'm gonna keep playing with this. I had planned on making this outro a lot more professional, a lot more official, but I didn't think I was gonna be having this much fun with this slime. It's been years. It's been years. When was the last time you can say you made slime successfully? Because I failed. It's been a while. But that's it. That's all I have for you guys. So tune in next time. Tune in next time. Who knows what I'll be doing? I might try crocheting. Who knows? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You know the drill. Love you guys. Bye. Honestly, I don't have anything to talk about. Wait.